A home with all the I wants. Recently painted interior and exterior. All wood cabinets, pull-out cutting board, storage for large platters, pull-out drawers under cooktop for pots, new stainless steel dishwasher, cooktop and hood, enclosed back porch/sunroom for plant lovers, 2 exterior storage utility rooms plus extra storage under patio, updated electrical outlets and light switches, 2 full bathrooms, 1 powder room, all wood cabinets and updated faucets and all new commodes, plenty of closet space plus a coat closet, large fenced-in backyard, 3-year-old heat and cool unit, ceiling light upgraded to LED, wood floors in the den with a wood-burning fireplace, laundry room inside near the rear entrance. She shed/man cave or mother-in-law suite with a full bath and its own private entrance. Not included in living square feet. A home with all the I wants, recently painted interior and exterior.